Combine chicken wings and condensed milk. The result will surprise you. Start by adding 1 kilo of chicken wings into a large bowl, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, enough water to cover them, and let them rest for 10 minutes. After this time has passed, in a skillet over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and stir until melted. Now add the wings and fry until golden on both sides. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Once you've done that, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, a pinch of black pepper. Stir until incorporated and fry for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 crushed garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, juice of half a lime, and mix. Have you got that recipe? Once the chicken wings have fried, add the sauce we prepared. Stir, cover the skillet, and let it all cook for 10 minutes. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.